Backyard dispatcher here. Dispatching the English sparrow. What we have here is a male and a juvenile, probably a female. Notice that soft beak. It's just not quite developed yet, but it's yellow. It's before they get a little harder, but it's starting to, as you can tell, it's starting to darken up. Here we got a male. He's mature. A dark beak. Now y'all are like, man, just on the backyard. Why are you killing these? Why are you killing these little birds? In the comments, we were having a discussion about the English sparrow. Well, they pretty much have decimated. Is that the word I'm looking for? Decimated, killed, wiped out the songbirds here in America. And I was like, well, because I wish I could show you, and maybe I can. Maybe I can walk around here in a second and show you some of the little itty bitty baby woodpeckers that these sparrows have. They raid their nests and they kill the babies. And I need to get it on tape because I've seen it. And I've seen the squirrels do the same thing. But these guys have really powerful beaks. And compared to our songbirds, they can't compete with these seed crackers. And they'll break a little bird's leg real quick with one snap. I'll show you how delicate, like a hummingbird's feet are compared to these things. These things, I mean, they look like Arnold Schwarzenegger compared to our little songbirds like the wren and a couple other birds. But yeah, I took them out with the with a converted 22-400 KT. Shout out to Froggy. I think someone said what your name was at one time, but yeah, making this a fun gun to shoot again. I think I upped the FPS like another about 100 FPS, and I haven't done anything. That's not a modded valve or anything like that. It's all stock. The only thing I've done to my KT that's not stock from the factory, I mean the valve is all stock. I added this adjuster, and I ordered that from Crossman. So I guess it does have a modded valve in a way, as it's coming off of the continuous pressure coming from, you know, the tank, the 13 CI. If any of y'all are new to like HPA or PCPs like I am, you will learn real quick that there is definitely a difference when it comes to the CC tanks and the CI tanks. There's quite a bit more air you can put in a CI. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what a young English sparrow. Now, how I know this is English sparrow is I set them up. 2400 KT doing its work. Now, what I want to do is I don't want them here because I want to be able to bring other birds in, so I kind of hide them on this back fence. Sparrows are a little different than starlings. In fact, I'll put it where I know that some cats come through. Backyard dispatch. So, let's go get that mosquito. And I see one right now. I'm gonna take a shot at it. And you hear that noise right in the background? That That's an annoying baby English sparrow. Here's those wine bottles, Loki. I was actually shooting at 2 of them. And here's one of them. Here's the other. Okay, so it was actually closer than I thought it was. I missed.